to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra camera specs leaked. According to the latest available data, the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra may disappoint with its cameras, but it will please with its charging. On the other hand, Samsung unifies its future flagships. A new leak of protective glass for all three models of the Galaxy S26 lineup has been published. Let's dive into the full video for fresh updates, camera changes, modified charging, and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. As Samsung approaches mass production of its new Galaxy S26 flagships, more and more details about their internals are beginning to leak online. A tech tipster under the nickname Yawn has obtained a list of the sensors used in the cameras of the older Galaxy S26 Ultra. To the disappointment of many fans, the Korean tech giant is once again unwilling to offer anything fundamentally new. The smartphone will feature the same camera setup, albeit with a 3x telephoto lens, which has switched from a 10-megapixel 1x3.52-inch sensor to a 12-megapixel, equivalent with a slightly larger 1x3-inch sensor, Samsung S5K 3LD. The tipster also mentioned updated charging technology, which will allegedly be able to deliver 55 watts of power during the first 15% of charging, confirming earlier speculation about a long-awaited charging upgrade. On the other hand, much has already been revealed about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 flagship series, thanks to fresh leaks, but a new publication sheds light on the device's displays and shapes. Renowned tipster Ice Universe published an image showing screen protectors for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Judging by the image, all three models will feature displays with rounded corners, confirming previously published renders. This will be an important step toward unifying the design within the series, as the current generation Galaxy S25 Ultra features sharper screen corners than the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. The Galaxy S26 series will be the first in which all three models will feature the same display shape and symmetrical bezels. Judging by the photos, the bezels will be ultra-thin. The devices are credited with two single-chip systems, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chipset. The likely announcement date for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series was previously revealed, promising a rather late launch compared to previous generations of the series. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.